So in today's video, we are going to be talking about everything you need to know about skin toners. Also, I'm going to help you suggest the right perfect toner for your face. And you all need to watch this video until the very end because this video is going to be really informative for, both men and women. Now, everybody loves to have a clear skin and, we all dream of having a clear skin. And for most of us, skin problems are actually a fact of life. And I feel like what's standing between a clear skin and us is the absence of that one product, and that one product might be toners. Also guys, dermats say that the secret weapon to a healthy skin are toners, and I'm sure everybody knows that the skin toners are the most important step of that Korean skincare routine. Now I'm sure everybody knows what Korean skincare routine is, but if you don't know, don't worry, I'm going to tell you what it is exactly. So a Korean skincare routine is a 10-step skincare routine which includes toning, cleansing, double cleansing, and then face mask, sheet mask, eye mask and what not. And I'm sure you must be like, कौन इतने सारे steps follow करता है? But trust me guys, people do follow these steps to to get that clear skin. But then if you don't want to follow that, completely up to you. But definitely use a toner because it's the most important step of a Korean skincare routine, and it actually helps you in so many ways that I'm going to tell you now. So starting from what exactly a toner is. A toner is actually referred to as a toning agent or maybe an estrogen or maybe a liquid that penetrates into our skin really quickly, or basically it is referred to as that in between skincare prep that you do when you do your skincare routine. Now why it is important? The number one reason and the most important reason is that after washing our face we need to apply toners because it brings our skin back to its normal regular pH balance, which is supposed to be 5.5. So when we use a harsh exfoliant or maybe a face wash that has a lot of chemicals in it, it really throws off our pH balance, and we definitely need a toner to balance that pH in our skin. Now reason number two is it shrinks our pores. So the pores that we have over here or maybe here or maybe here, using a perfect toner that is meant for the pores would really help with that. Toners cleanses and tightens the pores, so there is less room for dirt and oil to enter and cause any kind of skin irritation or maybe infection. Now toners also protects our skin from the minerals and chlorines that is present in the tap water. So when we wash our face, there are chances that those chlorine and minerals stick to our face. So toners help remove that. Now it also helps refreshing our face. So when my face is oily, what I generally do is I take a cotton pad and use my toner, and I basically wipe my face with that, and I feel really refreshed. Now basically toners help us with the overall cleansing of our face. Now who should use a toner? Really anyone and everyone should definitely use a toner because it goes the extra mile to clean your skin and close the pores. And especially people with oily skin, acne prone skin, or maybe if you're someone who wears makeup on a daily basis, you should definitely use a toner because it does the extra thing for your skin. Now that how important toning is, you might be thinking how to select the correct toner for your skin. So I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to tell you the correct standards of selecting a toner. So the toners that contain preservatives or maybe alcohol, fragrances or color or any kind of harsh chemical actually can damage your skin in a lot of ways, and especially if you have a sensitive skin, you should definitely stay away from toners that have chemicals and alcohols and things like that. So you should definitely avoid that. Rather you should go for toners that have natural ingredients. And for sensitive skin people, the best thing and the best toner is the Khadi rose water toner. That is the complete pure rose water that you can use for your skin as a toner. And for people who have normal skin or maybe whose skin is not that prone to acne, they can go for toners. They can actually experiment with a lot of toners, but then make sure that they do not contain alcohol, but because they can actually dry out your skin. So I actually used to use the Biotique toner because उसपे mention ऐसा करा हुआ नहीं था कि that has alcohol in it. So I used to use that religiously, and actually that is very good for my pores. I'm not gonna tell any bad thing about that, but the only thing was that कि उसके अंदर alcohol था तो वो काफी ज़्यादा dry out कर देता था skin को. But then I found this toner by Requel. It's the Requel Pore Refining Face Toner. It is actually a very good toner, and the best part is it is free from alcohol or actually any kind of chemical. So it is good for oily skin people because my skin is oily. Though I'm not that prone to acne, but my skin is oily, so I definitely prefer a toner जो मेरे skin का extra oil निकाल दे, and this is one such toner. And what you can do is you know, you can, if you don't want to go for any toners, you can definitely use your rose water as your toner. But the biotic toner was actually good for you know, oily skin and dry skin people both. But the only thing is that it has alcohol in it, but it was actually very good for my pores. And you know, मुझे pores की major issue थी, but right now मुझे pores की exactly बिल्कुल भी कोई issue नहीं है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा minimize हो गए हैं मेरे pores. And guys, if you're looking for a toner to even out your skin, then you should definitely look for a toner that has hyaluronic acid in it. Now talking about how to use a toner, thankfully using a toner is a lot more, you know, straightforward than jade rolling. Yes guys, you just need your cotton pad or maybe a microfiber cloth and put your toner on that and wipe your face. You can even moisturize your face after that, because that is going to be really beneficial for your skin. And I've also made a video regarding that, so you can check that out. I'll leave the link down below or maybe on the I button. So what I generally do is I wash my face and do my CTM routine in the morning, and then I do the same routine at the night. The only difference is that in the morning I use my moisturizer, and in the night I use my night cream over my moisturizer. And I'm gonna make a separate proper skincare routine video again, so wait for that. And yeah, so that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys found this video really informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and do follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.